In this video, I will demonstrate a simple and free Google trick that can help you earn money online easily from the comfort of your own home. I will show you how to make $5,180 using this trick. In this video, I will explain how to set up a passive income stream using a simple Google trick that only requires one click of a button and free software. The best part is that you do not need to invest any money or have your own website, and it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Before I delve into the specifics of this trick, please let me know where you are from by commenting below. This will allow me to ensure that all my future videos are tailored to your location. Also, stay tuned until the end of the video, as I have a special bonus for you. Now let's get started. The first step is to go to news.google.com, and the second step is to navigate to Google News, where you can find all the latest news from around the world, including local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. By clicking on the business section, you can access the latest business news in your country or globally. Moving on to step 3, every few hours, the news articles update and new articles are published on specific topics. In this case, we will focus on business. You can open any of these articles and use them to make money online. For example, if we select the article "A Flight to Space with Jeff Bezos aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard sold for $28 million, we can use its content to make money. To do this, copy the article and proceed to step 4, which involves visiting quillbot.com, a free online tool that rewrites articles professionally for you. You can utilize these articles without any charge to earn money online repeatedly. Simply paste your article and click on Paraphrase to get the whole article rewritten. The best part is that it's completely free and everything is done for you. On the left side, you can find the original article, while the rephrased article, which is now unique and ready for use, is on the right side. With just one click, I can copy this rephrased article to use it to earn money online. There are thousands of articles available in different categories on Google News that come in every few hours, and each of these articles has the potential to make you money over and over again. Later in this video, I will provide you with free bonuses that will help you earn even more money, so stay tuned. Moving on to step number 5, there are 2 ways to earn money using these rephrased articles. The first one may not make you much money, but the second option can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, it has made tens of thousands of dollars for people from all around the world. If you're enjoying this video, I would appreciate it if you tap the like button and subscribe with notifications on. If we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll release a new video next week, demonstrating how to earn even more money online by doing simple tasks like this from the comfort of your home. Now, let's return to the video. The first and least lucrative option is to use textbroker.com. Textbroker.com works with big companies like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform pays you for writing articles. You don't need to write them yourself since you can obtain them for free with a simple Google trick. To make money online, all you need to do is visit textbroker.com and click on I Write Content. This will take you to the next page, where you can learn more about how to earn money by writing articles for TextBroker. It is entirely free to register with TextBroker and begin making money by writing different articles today. By heading to the payment section and selecting More Information, you can determine your potential earnings. For example, a 1,000-word article would earn you $50, and longer articles result in higher earnings. You can find many articles of this length on Google News. To earn even more, focus on creating longer, high-quality articles. For instance, a 12,000-word article could earn you up to $600. The beauty of this approach is that you can repeat it as many times as you'd like. It's worth noting that this method may not be as lucrative as the second option of making money with free articles. To begin with, TextBroker, click on Free Author Registration, create a free account, and start generating revenue with your articles. You can leverage freelance websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, and Upwork.com to make money from your articles. Using multiple sites can lead to higher earnings than using only one. A search for article writing on Fiverr.com will show you many individuals making money by writing articles. It can be time-consuming to create articles on your own, and customers don't like to wait. By delivering articles quickly, you'll have a competitive advantage and earn more than your competitors. Numerous individuals have successfully used this method to earn tens of thousands of dollars on Fiverr.com alone. For even more earning potential, watch a video on how to earn $100 per hour by just watching videos. This approach is straightforward, free, and works worldwide. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with anyone you know who might be looking for a job.